Hello everyone, Max here, coming up with the next video. This one we are unboxing another package from CNFans. So let's get started, let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. It is pretty big, as you can see. This thing was like 7 kilograms, so let's unbox this, let's see what's inside. And of course, like always, you have the links down in the description to sign up to the service. It's literally the best agent you can find at the moment. It's really fast and reliable, so I really recommend you guys checking this thing out. Also, you have a ton of spreadsheets down in the description as well, so be sure to check this thing out. So it looks like this. You also get all the QC pictures and everything, so don't worry about that. Like, first of all, maybe let's start with something small. Which are those? So these are the Viper sunglasses. And let's take a look at them. Let's see how they look like. As you can see, they're covered in this foil. But yeah, they look very, very nice. As you can see, the Pit Viper. They were so cheap. $3, not even $3, I guess. So yeah, they were very, very affordable. This is how they look like. They're so good looking. And this is how I look like in them. They look so good. Yeah, definitely worth 2.8 bucks, definitely. So next up on the list we have the Air Forces. So it's been quite a while since I bought the Air Forces, and now as you can see, we have the next pair of them, Air Force Ones, and the 8. And the size 8.5 US. This is how the Air Forces look like. They look so cool, so nice. Yeah, they're all white, pristine looking. Yeah. As you can see, there are no defects whatsoever when it comes to the sole. It all looks just as it should. This is how the side of the shoe looks like, the back of the shoe. The inner part. Let's see the inside. So you have the insole, of course, which is shiny. Also have the QR code and everything what's on the real deal as well. So you actually can never go wrong with Air Forces. They're really good. Air Forces 1, 07, 26.5 centimeters, 8.5 US. And yeah, the box is pretty crooked, but yeah, we are not worried about the box because it's just a box. Next up in here we have Adidas shoes. So as you can see, we have the handball Adidas Spal shoes in the size US 7.5. And let's take a look at them. So yeah, they are in this foil. Here they are, the Adidas Spal. As you can see, the color is just perfect, matches the real deals 1-to-1. The materials are also great, just as on the real ones. It's actually very, very smooth and very well made. I have no complaints about that. The Adidas Hand Special. And there's obviously the QR code and everything. The sizing and stuff. I really do like the laces. They're very, very, very sturdy and nice. I like them a lot. Same thing can be said about the other pair. Actually, they come with this sticker and stuff, so yeah. Yeah, they look very, very nice, very, very cool. Actually, can never go wrong with Adidas as well, so definitely worth it. Next up on the list we have this screen protector for my iPhone, because I smashed mine. See, mine is just all cracked. You have this spider webs going around, so yeah, I just had to get one more of this screen protector. Let's actually take a look at this. Let's see what's inside. And now let's take a look at this. I have the screen protector, and we actually have many of them. 1, 2. We have 2 of them, not many. And yes, this bumper is actually the case that allows you to mount this screen protector in a straight line, so that's very good. Yeah, we have it. And next up we have this headband. So yeah, I don't like when my hair gets messy, so I decided to get like one of those headbands. My hair is not really curly. Sometimes when I want to comb my hair to the back, it just doesn't really work, so hopefully it will now. Yeah, it holds my hair just in a straight back position, so that's good at least. Yeah, it really works. Very cool. Next up on the list we have those pants, the linen pants. It's summer and I wanted to get one of those, so I decided to buy these ones, and they were only like $4, guys. $4 for the linen pants. So let's take a look at them. Let's see how they look like. And actually they look very, very cool. I'm not gonna lie. So this is how it all looks like. It says that it's XL, but Asian XL is not really the European one, and I think that they are pretty short. Actually, they are pretty short. Here they are, guys, the linen pants. As you can see, they are pretty short. As for the XL, definitely pretty short as for the XL size, and I thought that they would be like too big, but they are pretty small. They're definitely, and this is how they look like. Actually, they don't look bad, honestly. They're very cool. What you think about that? I think they're not bad as for $4. Okay, and next up we have a little bit more of the camera equipment. So, you know, since I'm making those videos, I decided to get like a small portable Ulanzi Triot for a phone and for my camera. So let's get it, let's unbox this. It's very, very small. I thought that it actually might be bigger, but yeah, it's pretty small, pretty handy, as you can see, pretty portable. Ulanzi. You get to, you know, control the angle and stuff here, so that's pretty cool as well. And yeah, you can just retract this thing like this, or you can actually retract this thing like this as well. Oh, it's actually very, very small. I thought that it would be bigger, but yeah, it is what it is. It's pretty small, it's pretty handy. I will definitely need one of these for like shooting on my desk and stuff. Yeah, so now I get to shoot the videos like this now, guys. As you can see, it's pretty stable. It does work pretty well. To that, I also decided to get like two of these lamps. So this one is Ulanzi, which was a little bit more expensive, and this is like no name RGB VL-R1 RGB LED video light lamp. So yeah, the no name one. It comes with a cable, and yeah. You do get the lamp, which is made from a pretty cheap plastic, but you do get the USB Type-C port, so that's nice, and you get to control the stuff. Let's turn this thing on. Guys, is it charged? I don't think it's charged. Okay, so the RGB one is charging, and now let's also take out the Ulanzi one. So the Ulanzi one looks to be a smaller lamp. It also does come with a manual, and the lamp itself looks like this. Yeah, the plastic looks to be better quality, and it's also white. I really like the white product, so I decided to get the one. And yeah, you can actually mount this thing on the Ulanzi tripod, and it will actually work. So let's turn this thing on, and now it works. Wow! It gives me like a pretty good amount of light. Yeah, definitely cool. Wow. In the end, we have the cherry on the top of the cake. I bought the Chinese Porsche 911 Lego technique, so actually huge. As you can see, it comes with like 1580 pieces and it was very cheap. It was only like 15 bucks, so in my opinion it's just crazy. Guys, let me know if you want me to build this thing on real life or something. We will make like a long video, like an hour or I don't know, 5 or maybe 10-hour long video to build this Lego technique. See what's inside. Let's see if it actually comes with all the boxes and bricks and stuff. So yeah, let's see. Oh. So yeah, it does come with all the necessary pieces, the tires, the rims, the blocks and stuff. So yeah, there's a ton of them. And actually maybe I will just start building this thing just in a minute because it's so cool, bro. Let's actually take a look at this. Oh yeah, so we get to the manual. We have the manual and stuff. Yeah, very cool. I love it, guys. Opened. If you want to get such items for a very attractive price, you have the links in the description to sign up. And you have the spreadsheets available for you to find very cool items as well. And yeah, see you in the next video. See ya, guys. Bye.